wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school.
Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn. Yay!
Hello children, welcome back. I'm teacher Lydia. Today we're going to play Play-Doh. Did you get your Play-Doh ready? I choose a yellow color Play-Doh. What about you? Okay, so before we start, I want to teach you a Play-Doh song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I like to roll it, roll it. I like to roll it, roll it. I like to squeeze it, squeeze it. I like to squeeze it, squeeze it. Last one. I like to pinch it, pinch it. I like to pinch it, pinch it. Yes. Okay, so today we're going to work on your fine motor skill. We're going to work on your little finger. So you remember all the movement, right? Roll it, squeeze it, and pinch it. Okay, so I will see you in 1 second. Okay, children, so now get your Play-Doh ready. And I have a yellow color Play-Doh. So are you ready? Let's start. We roll it into a ball. Roll, roll, roll. And now I got my big yellow ball. So I want to fill up the big pineapple shape over here. So I put on the middle. And are you ready? Your finger. And press it down. Press, press, press. Let's press it to fill up the pineapple shape. So press, work on your little finger. Okay, ta-da! We are done with our first pineapple. Okay, next one. I want to do my cherries. I want to choose an orange color Play-Doh. So you can choose any color you like. Let's change another movement. I want to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay, do some exercise on your fingers. Squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze. Okay, so are you ready? We take up a little bit and fill up the cherry. Okay, let's squeeze again. Okay, and put on the cherry and press. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Okay, the cherries are done. And we have one more fruit left over here. This is the grapes. So you can make it into a tiny little circle and press into each circle. Have another one. Press. Okay, let's try to make it into a ball. You can put it on your palm and use your little 2 fingers to roll. Roll, roll, roll. Done! Okay, so you can press it down. So you may continue to roll into a ball. Okay, children, we have 4 more circles left. Let's do it together. Okay, press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more left. Wow, I have a yellow color over here. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, children. Okay, children. Now let's move to our next worksheet. Look, we have so many trees on the worksheet. But there's no fruits on the trees. Can you help me to fill up the tree with the fruits? Yes, let's go. So let's look at the first tree. We have orange over here and we need 5 orange. Okay, let's do it with a song. If you're happy and you know you roll a ball, roll a ball. Big ball. Yes, okay. So you can take a big ball and put on the tree. First orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget to press it down. Okay, Okay, children. Now let's move to the next one. It's an apple. Okay, and we need 4 apples. So remember the movement. If you're happy and you know you roll a ball. I have my first ball done. Don't forget to press it down. Press. 2. Press. 3 and 4. Apple tree is done. And let's move to the next one. We have number 7 and it's a peach. So remember the movement again. Ready? Go! If you're happy and you know you roll a ball. Look! I have 7 peach on my hand. And let's put them on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you're happy and you know you roll a ball. I have 3 balls here. Okay, children, let's find where is number 3. Okay, is this number 3? No! Is this number 3? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to press it down. Okay, we have 1 more left. What number is this? Number 6. Correct. I have all the fruits on my hand and let's put it on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. We have to press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done, children. I hope you have fun with all the movement. And let's do it one more time. I like to roll it, roll it. I like to squeeze it, squeeze it. I like to pinch it. Okay, children. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school.
Let's go! Joyous.